Today we're going to learn how to make little Mensch donuts or elf donuts. I've got Cheerios here with a damp paper towel. I'm just going to get the Cheerio a little bit wet. I've also got confectioner sugar here. I'm just going to dip it in and then smooth it over so that it's not clumpy. Get a little more sugar. Okay, you see it's kind of clumpy here, so you just kind of smooth it out. If you need to remove some of the sugar from the middle, you can use a chopstick or a toothpick. Okay, and then now you've got powdered donuts. Now I want to make jelly donuts, and so I've got a little bit of strawberry jam here. And I'm just going to put a little bit in the middle. Okay. And there you have it, little donuts. And if you need little mini donut boxes, these come in both the Hanukkah theme and also Christmas theme for elves in my shop, Maddie Loves Kiwi. Thanks so much for watching.